Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing I wore in my last video. I have a couple videos to film today and I just don't care to change my clothes. I don't think that's what you're here for. So I just decided to keep this on and we're just going to keep rolling with it. In today's video, we're going to be opening the box from Fashionsta. This is a $24.99 a month subscription. In here we should have between 5 and 7 full-size products valued between $120 and $180. This box is quickly becoming my new favorite subscription box. There's a lot of indie brands in here, brands I've never tried. Every box I've gotten so far has been 100% cruelty-free, which is great for me. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber. So if anytime while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will be sure to have it on the screen for you right here, as well as the value of the item. We'll add it all up at the end and see if we're getting a good deal or not. But yeah, I really like this box a lot, and I think for sure this is definitely my favorite subscription at the moment. All right, let's just go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so this card right here has the theme for the month, which is Inner Beauty, and it looks like we're getting 6 items on the back. Every month so far, I believe I've gotten 6 items so far, so that's pretty good. I replaced my Allure, what is it, Allure Beauty box. I replaced that with this box because I just wasn't happy with Allure, and this one, every product is full size, and Allure is only 3, and it was like almost the same price, so I decided just to switch to this, and I've been very happy that I did. Okay, let's just go ahead and start taking things out of here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to pull out right on top is from Earth Harbor, which is cruelty-free. This is Laguna. This is a replenishing body serum, which sounds super, super interesting to me. I do have one thing from this brand. It's a face serum oil. I think it's a serum, right? Yeah, I have the Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule, but I use it as a serum. That's what I have from them. Don't mind the dog hair. It's just part of my life. It's everywhere. But I've never heard of a serum for your body, so that's kind of interesting. It looks almost the same as it's like a baby and a mama. This one's just a little bit more green than the Merino one. There's that. Let's kind of see the consistency on this. I've never heard of a body serum. I mean, it's liquidy like a serum with a little bit of oil. It smells like a serum, if you know what I mean, like that clean, like just serum-y scent, but it feels like a body oil. I'm definitely curious to try this. I like the packaging. I love that it's super just plain and simple. That kind of speaks to my vibe. Let's get a value on that product. So that is 26 bucks, which doesn't sound like a terrible price for a body oil or any oil in general, or even a serum. So that seems like a really good price. It's vegan, cruelty-free. Yeah. Excited about that. Let's move on to the next item. I've got another box right here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So this is from Gypsy Soul Organics. I've never heard of this brand, but it does say not tested on animals, so that's great. This is what is this? Clean skincare is all it says on the packaging there. So I'm not sure what this is. Let's just go ahead and open up the box and see what we're doing in here. It says bee free right there. I think because they don't use like animal products and they have like bees on there. Oh, it's a face toner. So it's a cactus flower face toner. Shake generously, mist face as desired, use daily. I don't know why I'm shaking it. I'm not going to spray it, I don't think. But there it is. Really cute packaging. Let's go ahead and smell, because it says rose water in here, so I'm curious if it smells like roses. It smells a little strong, but not in a bad way, and it smells like a toner. I definitely will use that. That's very interesting. I like that it's spray. You can like spray and then just let it sit for a little bit. Yeah, definitely will give that a go. The value on this is 30 bucks. Seems a little expensive for a face toner, but it seems like it is a small, what did the packaging say? It says mama owned and operated, scratch made since 2010. So it sounds like a very small operation, which is probably why they have to charge more, which I'm very supportive of things like that. If it's a small business, I don't mind paying more, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Yeah. So anyways, excited to get that. A lot of skincare so far. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we have another thing from Earth Harbor. Okay, so this is the Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. I don't know how to say that word. Ampoule. There it is. Let's see what this one is. Oh, so this is definitely like an oil. I'm trying to compare it to the one I have. Yeah, the other one I have, I'm not sure if you can see. Let me show you. This one's definitely more liquidy. Can you see that? Whereas this one's definitely more oily. I know it's hard to tell, but it definitely looks more like an oil. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is. Okay, this sounds good. So it says the most divine way to serenely energize and soothe skin while inducing dewy luminance, giving your face illuminating superfood nutrition. So again, it just seems like a serum, or yeah, it's definitely a serum. Smells okay, smells like a serum. Yeah, I'll use it. I mean, I have a lot of serums to get through right now. I have a lot of oils just piling up over there, but I'll use it. I'm not mad about it. Especially this time of year, my face is so dry. I'm like just piling on moisturizers on it. The value on that one is $32. Seems right on par with other serums that I've tried. I mean, it doesn't seem too overpriced. So there's that. All right, let's see if we can get something other than skincare. Oh, goodness. Okay, so this is definitely not skincare. Okay, so the brand is Nurture from Nature. This is a sugar wax natural hair removal. It's made with sugar, water, and lemon juice. Here's the packaging. The logo is really hard to read. That's why I had to read it off the card. I don't even know how to do this. So let me read the card, because I thought you had to have like little strips or something, but it says a perfect hair removal solution for sensitive skin and all hair types, with salon results with no heat strips needed. 3 natural ingredients: pure cane sugar, distilled water, and lemon juice. So how do you use it then? Because there's no instructions on here. I don't know. I don't do like waxing or hair removal of that kind. Like I shave my legs and my pits and wherever else I need to shave, but I've never had to like remove hair off my face. I don't wax my face. I don't wax anything. So I'm probably not going to use this. I will probably just be passing this along to somebody else. I do love the concept that it's just natural stuff. I think that's really cool. But I don't need help with hair removal. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody else. The value on this is only $10, so I don't think that's bad at all. I mean, I think that's a pretty decent price for, I mean, this seems like quite a bit in here. So there's that. It does say on here vegan and cruelty free. I'll tell you right now, the whole box is vegan and cruelty free. I can see that on every little item on the card. It's saying that. Okay, looks like, oh, wait, they gave me a stick. Hold on, there's more. Okay, so I have a popsicle stick to apply that. But what do you do once it's on? Do you just like peel it off? Maybe I'll try it. I don't know. Maybe I'll try my legs. Do people wax their legs? Is that a thing? I don't even know. But I love that they gave me a popsicle stick. That's so cute. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull this next thing. This is from Ola Neon, which is cruelty-free. This is a tinted balm, and mine is in the shade Trust Me. I really like this brand's packaging. It really reminds me of like the 80s and the 90s when like purple and green or purple and like turquoise together were like really cool. I love tinted balms too, so I'm curious to see if this is a color I will like. It seems a little bright just judging by the packaging, but we'll see. See, I don't know. Is that a tinted balm? That looks like a lipstick to me. The color is a little bright for me, but if it's only a tinted balm, then it shouldn't be too bad. Let me go ahead and swatch. Oh yeah, it's definitely a tinted balm. Okay. I can definitely rock this. So there it is on my hand. You can see it's very sheer, and I think that's great. I typically wear something like this when I'm wearing a mask, just so if I happen to take it off or I'm outside, I have something on my lips, a little color, but it's not like a lipstick that's just going to rub all in my mask and get all over my face. So I definitely like that. I definitely will use that. The value on that is $17. Again, I think that's a little overpriced for a tinted lip balm, but maybe it's great. I don't know. Maybe I'll love it. Sorry, I was saying if it had a smell, it doesn't really smell like anything. All right, we have one last item. This is a eyeshadow palette, I believe. This is the Catherine Girl Kindness. It's got horses on a horseshoe. So the Kindness eyeshadow palette. Oh, cute. Okay, so I definitely like this. It's definitely colors that I like. I really love that glitter in there, but I don't know. This is a palette I'm going to have to think about. I am drawn to it, but I feel like I might have every shade in here, so I would have to do some research to see if this is something I want to dip my finger into or if it's something I just want to add to that ever-growing giveaway pile. So I will consider this. The value on this is 28 bucks for 6 shades. Like I said before, I believe this is a smaller brand. I've never heard of this brand, so perhaps that could be why it's more expensive. Just brands just starting up trying to make some sort of profit. So there's that. Okay, someone kindly pointed out in my last video of this box that on the card it tells you the total value. So the total value of this box is $143, which is pretty much right in the middle of that $120 and $180 that they promise. I love this box. I think I'm going to use everything in here minus this. I'm thinking about the wax. Maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't. And the eyeshadow palette, just because I have tons of neutral eyeshadow palettes just like this. So I'm going to think about this one, but everything else I'm going to use. The skincare is great. The lipstick or the tinted lip balm seems really nice. A lot of skincare in here this month though. So, but yeah, overall a really good box. I think if you get I feel like this could be better than the Glam Bag Plus, because every month I've gotten 6 items for $25 where I get the Ipsy and you get 5, and Allure you only get 3 full size and like a couple sample sizes. So I don't know, I just think this is a really good value, a really great way to find new brands, and I really have been loving this box. It's definitely my #1 box right now. Okay, that's everything I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, more dogs who are just napping, if you want to see all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.